Hey guys, let's make Japanese curry ramen for my watch party of 2 for the Japan soccer game. My husband and I have been obsessed with the Japanese soccer manga recently, which has gotten us more into soccer, and Japan is playing, which means we have to watch to cheer them on. I'm starting with the Maruchan Gold Soy Sauce ramen, which is available through Instacart. It's delicious on its own, but it also makes the perfect base for my easy Japanese curry ramen hack. Bring some water to boil, then add the noodle blocks, soup packets, and because we're making 2 portions, we're gonna add 2 quarter blocks of Japanese curry. Let everything cook together for 3 minutes until the curry melts into a rich, flavorful broth. While that is cooking, let's prep the toppings. I'm boiling some flower-shaped carrots and cooking the taco sausages for about 3 minutes. Once the ramen is ready, pour it into a large bowl and add the toppings. I love adding some Naruto, and how cute are these carrots and taco sausages. Finish off with Japanese pickles. These are beni shoga and fuko jinzuke for a tangy crunch that pairs perfectly with the curry broth, and a soft-boiled marinated egg, and that's it. With the variety of flavors Maruchan offers, it's easy to find one that matches the energy of whichever team you're cheering for. Now we're ready to settle in, enjoy our ramen, and cheer on the Japanese team. Go Japan!